Every morning, the cycle begins anew.
All right, everyone, keep it steady. We are heading straight into the hygiene corridor now.
This is the intake suite, where new arrivals are stabilized.
As you can see on the diagram, we move the ray to platform B first.
Got it aligned now, Lena.
The subject is secured in the padded cradle. We are now initiating the final descent into the quarantine pool, ensuring stable salinity and temperature.
The large mixing tanks ensure the salt water reaches the precise salinity required for the manta ray quarantine pool.
Regular maintenance is crucial for the manta ray system. Here, Lena logs the hours and cleans the inspection window to ensure optimal performance.
The manta ray system efficiently removes organic waste. Jessa ensures the quick-release clamp is secure before logging the levels.
By rotating the handle from bypass to return, the flow is redirected. We follow the line as it moves toward the quarantine pool.
The oxygenated return flows smoothly into the quarantine pool, stabilizing the environment as the ripples reach the transfer station. The cradle is now entering the final alignment sequence. Maintaining perfect pitch and roll is essential for a secure transfer.
Stable on all axes.
The fan spray provides the initial rinse on the sling platform, carrying minor debris into the catch basin for Lena to inspect. All debris is logged upon intake. Organic materials, like this seaweed, are separated from microplastics before barcoding and storage. Case ID 7 Gamma confirmed. Intake location verified, proceeding to pool A3 for observation and sampling.
Baseline water samples are critical. We collect from the quarantine inlet for ammonia, nitrite, and pH analysis.
The disinfectant cycle is active. We must verify the concentration levels against the chart, then log the results before loading the autoclave.
Welcome to the Imaging Suite Clean Zone. Please follow all contamination protocols, starting with a 20-second scrub and fresh PPE.
The imaging suite is ready. We utilize portable systems to ensure the comfort of our larger patients.
Brakes are set on the ultrasound.
The wingspan is measured with extreme precision.
3.2 meters, exactly. Make a note of the marker placement.
Clear the exclusion zone now. Beginning sequence in 3, 2, 1. Exposure complete. The sealed manta ray samples arrive and are carefully loaded into the baseline analyzer rack. The stages are clear: stabilize, assess, recovery, and recondition. After racking the samples, the tissue is carefully mounted. This allows us to observe the intricate cellular turn corridor, imaging to recovery. We are now approaching the recovery pools.
Oxygen levels stable at 8.2 milligrams per liter. The diffuser is functioning optimally for the subject.
The first recovery glide is stable. The Manta demonstrates excellent adaptation to the primary tank environment.
The measured supplement is precisely applied, followed by the heat seal and barcode labeling. The completed tray is then ready for shipment.
The ray approaches the nutrients calmly. This recovery feeding is guided by the stable flow as the portion gently drifts towards the intake.
Recovery is complete. All baselines are stable, and the first feed was successful. We can now
Lena adjusts the set point, increasing the flow rate to 0.7 meters per second. Jessa notes the change.
As the Manta tracks the lane, the wingtip creates a precise ripple. This confirms the steady glide.
Designed for seamless tracking, the system provides continuous data flow directly into vision analytics.
With the session underway, the system tracks speed and path deviation in real time. And there's the completion of the first lap.
Lap 1 completed. Subject proceeding to the next segment.
With the motor load stable at 42%, we can confirm the circulation is efficient before inspecting the valve bank.
Jessa rotates the current bypass valve a quarter turn. The water surface current softens slightly, confirming a controlled.
With the conditioning session complete, Lena returns the system to normal flow. Jessa logs the precise time of the transition.
This is the daily conditioning ration for the Manta Ray, precisely scheduled for 2 p.m.
principles. The Manta Ray conveyance system ensures precise delivery of nutrient batch A5. The laser sensor.
The smooth arc of the Manta demonstrates a conditioned feeding response, devoid of frenzy.
The Manta Ray drain screen captures small fragments. Jessa checks the screen for debris and records the intake data for the filtration report.
By comparing the head pressure to the baseline chart, we can determine if a backwash is necessary to maintain steady flow. We pull the lever to initiate the 30-second backwash. The sight glass shows the debris clearing before the flow reverses to the UV chamber.
UV sterilization cycle complete. Bank A and B show green. Ensure all parameters are logged before sealing the access port. We place the pitcher on the scale and carefully measure the required therapeutic blend, cross-referencing the weight with the SOP sheet.
Looks good. Right on target. Perfect. Let's prep the tank.
Maintaining precise chemical balance is crucial for aquatic health.
The transfer station is now ready. The inclinometer confirms a level lift, and the safety straps are secured before engaging the lift arms.
The cradle is engaged and secured, beginning controlled ascent to the treatment tank.
The mixture is introduced slowly through the dosing port. As the timer reaches the halfway point, prepare the sampling valve for extraction.
Marco draws the midpoint sample for treatment verification. Jessa ensures proper labeling before transferring it to the analysis lab.
The samples arrive via the pass-through. After sanitizing the bench, we can begin analyzing the pH levels.
Probe readout and caliber reading.
Manta ray sample readout. The pH meter stabilizes.
The midpoint check confirms stable conditions. Aeration is optimal, and the subject remains calm as the treatment nears completion.
The treatment cycle is complete. We are initiating the drain sequence now for transfer back to the conditioning pool.
The Manta filtration system ensures a controlled vortex for efficient waste handling. As Jessa confirms,
With the slings re-engaged and alignment confirmed, the cradle is slowly raised for the transfer back to the conditioning pool.
Following re-entry, the Manta smoothly orients itself into the conditioning current, a testament to its remarkable adaptability.
Ensuring guest safety is paramount. Marco checks the ladder grips and the emergency buoy, while Lena refreshes the safe.
Enrichment devices are crucial for the Manta Ray's physical therapy. We utilize these motorized flumes to simulate natural currents.
Secure the clamps tightly to the rails, then ensure the quick release pin is engaged before deploying the tethered target into the current.
By following the orange sphere, the Manta engages in crucial enrichment behavior, all carefully guided by the team on the surface.
Resistance level 2.
The swim deviant report shows a significant increase in lap times. We need to cross-reference this data with the samples from the biorepository immediately.
Case ID archive ensures traceability. The temperature is stable at -80. The secure seal guarantees viability for transport.
Ensuring a safe journey, the team runs through the checklist. Marco secures the latches, Jessa checks the oxygen stream.
Maintaining sterility is paramount when preparing the acoustic tags. The reader is now ready to scan the passive integrated transponder.
Confirmed.
The samples must be secured immediately to prevent degradation.
To prepare for the near-surface check, we reduce the flow. This gentle approach keeps the animal calm during observation.
With the sling cradle secure and the Manta calm, the team performs their final checks. Lena gives
The Manta approaches the cradle calmly as we prepare the final ascent.
a little to the left, Marco.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Wingspan is 3.45 meters.
Logging 3.45. Confirmed.
Once the adhesive backing is removed, we verify the applicator against the tag reader to ensure a match before placement. The team works quickly to apply the acoustic tag.
Contact confirmed. Timing initiated.
We have a successful link.
Accurate data entry is crucial. We log the tag ID, date, pool, and the Manta's conditioning status before saving the record.
The readings remain perfectly stable. Oxygen saturation is optimal, and the Calm Activity Index confirms minimal stress.
With the Manta Ray's session reprinted, Jessa logs the data. The swim does a deviation chart shows
The sample is clamped and the post-tagging label applied. After a successful barcode scan, the sample is ready for the QC benches. The Manta Ray moves through the corridor, delivering its payload safely to the quality control bench for inspection.
An envelope. The sample undergoes a thorough visual inspection under magnification, followed by verification of the chain of custody.
The QC analyzer begins processing the post-tagging sample, ensuring the viability of the subject.
The Manta Ray resumes its conditioning, navigating the slightly stronger current past the underwater beacon.
tolerated increase.
The motor load screen shows a safe increase. We are testing the threshold alarm.
Okay.
With conditioning complete, we move to the final quality control stage before transport.
Maintaining a sterile chain of custody is paramount. All samples must follow the designated path directly to the analyzers.
The process begins by loading the capped vial into the marine panel. After selecting the case ID,
Maintaining a sterile workflow is critical. Samples are transferred via the pass-through window directly to the analyzers.
once the sample is loaded, verify the case ID on the marine panel interface. Press Start to initiate the analysis sequence.
Operative. Following the standard operating procedure, the team verifies the pH and salinity levels. Once confirmed,
The spectrophotometer confirms the required clarity. We are now moving the sample to the centrifuge.
After loading the balance tubes, secure the lid. The centrifuge will now begin the separation process, isolating the plasma.
Responses.
Secure the strip tube in the tray. Scan the barcode, then verify the run name, case ID screen on the display before proceeding.
Manta Ray project, incubation sequence initiated. The temperature has stabilized at 37 degrees Celsius. Recording start time now.
The Manta Ray project dashboard confirms all parameters are stable. As you can see, there are absolutely no flags. Printing the summary now.
Tag link okay?
It matches the printed summary.
Verified.
The conditioning pool provides a stable environment, allowing us to monitor the manta ray's behavior closely before release.
The subject is displaying calm activity, maintaining steady speed with low deviation.
Transport bay is prepped and ready for the incoming manta ray. All systems nominal.
The treated water must be precisely 35 PSU.
Salinity checked. Applying the ID now.
Good. Let's start the diffuser.
10. We connect the oxygen diffuser line and verify the bubble curtain. The leak check solution confirms.
The specialized hydrophobic coating ensures a rapid runoff, preventing water buildup during the decon cycle.
The clear down procedure is critical for maintaining seal integrity.
Gasket channel clear.
Alignment confirmed.
The drying cycle is critical. Heated air knives ensure sterilization before the Manta Ray components are moved to archive.
With the successful release